Kuzobe kungokokuqala ukuthi lelizwe libungaze inyanga yentsha lihaqwe wubhubhane lwesifo iCorona. Ukungalingani, inhlupheko kanye nesibalo esiphezulu sentsha engasebenzi kuzoqhubeka nokudicilela phansi amaphupho entsha yaseNingizimu Afrika. INational Youth Development Agency isinxuse uHulumeni ukuthi abahlinzeke ngamatoho abantu abasha abadonsa kanzima ukuthola umsebenzi.
Lona kwabe kuumbhikisho owaguqula umlando wakulelizwe nalapho kwabonakala khona izinkulungwane zabafundi zilwisana nencindezelo yabamhlophe. Emva kweminyaka engaphezulu kwengama-40 abantu abasha namanje basazithola belisana nezinye futhi izinkinga ezikhungethe lelizwe. Nokuhlasela kobhubhane iCoronavirus sekwenze ukuthi zande izinkinga ezibhekene nentsha. INYDA isungule isikhwama sokusiza abantu abasha ukuze bekwazi ukuphila ngalesi sikhathi se-lockdown. Manje ifuna ukuthi uHulumeni asize intsha engasebenzi.
One of the things that the NYDA is reflecting on during this youth month is it not necessary to guarantee or give every young person a minimum employment guarantee? Give every young person the dignity associated with work.
Intsha yamaqembu ehlukene ithe ukubheka ukuthi ingabe yini le eyayilwelwa yintsha yango-1976 nanokuthi ingabe uHulumeni wamanje wenzani ukuthuthukisa intsha.
While we celebrate the 44th anniversary of the 1976 Youth Uprising, we understand that we're faced with an abnormal situation and we're under abnormal circumstances where young people are very uncertain about their future. They're not sure if they will end up going back to varsities this year, they'll go back to schools next year. But our message to them is that they must remain determined, like the class of 1976.
We have a broken government and a broken system. The truth of the matter is young people between the ages of 16 to 35 at risk of never working their entire lives.
We take this time to remember the efforts of June 16, but also to invigorate the youth of South Africa today, to continue to call for the overhaul of white supremacy system, to continue to confront racism in all the spaces that we occupy.
We also want to reflect on the youth of 1976 that it was during this month where they took responsibility of ensuring where the government was not pro-young black people, but our young black people took to the streets in ensuring that they take a leadership role. So we do implore our young people to also play a critical role in this time.
The FF Plus youth of 2020, much like the youth of 76, are frustrated. We are frustrated with our government and with the continual legislation that they impose on us.
The youth of today faces many challenges, such as the high level of unemployment, substance abuse and high level of pregnancy. We urge and we feel the government is not doing much in creating platforms and environment in eradicating this from our society.
Kulonyaka inyanga yentsha izobungazwa ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Youth Power Growing South Africa Together in Period of COVID-19.